Hello everyone, what do we have in today's menu? Whoa, this is plantain oat bread. One thing I like about this bread recipe is that it is very healthy, rich in iron, and no sugar added for those of us that are avoiding sugar, and no waste product because that's your overripe plantain is good to go for this recipe. Yes, and you also make this bread at the comfort of your home, very healthy. We also use dates, like I said, no sugar, very healthy. If today is your first time, this is Kele Kitchen. A warm welcome to you, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back to watch our video. Without wasting time, let's go straight into the kitchen to make this bread. Here are the list of the ingredients you are going to use to make this delicious healthy bread, and they are well specified in the description box below. So here I have 2 ripe plantain. This is not banana. Then you wash the plantain and peel off the skin. After that, I slice the plantain into small pieces, put them inside my blender. Yes, as you can see here now. After the plantain inside the blender, I added my oil. After the oil, I added another ingredient, the egg. As you can see here are the 2 eggs. Yes, remember there's no sugar added in this recipe. That's why I'm using dates. And if your date is a little hard, you go ahead and soak it in a warm water for a few minutes. After that, you remove the seed and the date is good to go. So you add the dates in your blender, as you can see how I demonstrated it in this video. After adding the dates, then it's time for you to blend all the ingredients together. So here is the oat I will be using. I went ahead to blend it into powder. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. Hit on the bell button to notify you of our new upload. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you very much. Like our video, share our video, comment and send to your families, friends that you feel that they need this recipe. So here we have done with the flour, oats. So in a mixing bowl, you add the oats, add a pinch of salt, add your baking powder, mix them together, the dry ingredients. After the dry ingredients, then you go ahead and now pour in the plantain mixture. So after that, you go ahead and combine all the ingredients, the dry and the wet ingredients together to form a good mixture batter for your plantain bread. Please tell us where you are watching so that we can give you a shout out in our next video. Our shout out for today goes to Home Cooked Meals, watching all the way from Malaysia. Thank you for watching our video. And another shout out goes to Patience Ezimuzo. Thank you for watching our video. Please let us know where you're watching from so that we can give you a shout out. As you can see here now, after mixing, you will go ahead and put in the batter in your bread pan. Any pan of your choice can go. So here I have 3 bread pans. I divided the batter equally. You heat the bread pan so that it can remove some excess air and bubbles inside the bread. I added some sesame seed on top of it. You can add anything you like at home. This is optional. So go ahead and bake in a preheated oven for 25 minutes to 35 minutes, and then your bread is ready. Wow, look at how it's looking so golden brown. Yes, I promise you that once you make this bread, this is a bread everybody in your family, including children, will like because it's so good, tastes good. The aroma in the kitchen now, I can't resist it. So you allow the bread to cool down. After that, you remove it from the pan. Yeah, just check out how this bread is looking. Very delicious. Very delicious. Yeah, you can make this at home if you don't have money to buy already made bread, plantain from the supermarket. With these few ingredients, you can achieve this good. Just check out how bread is still looking. Very healthy, very healthy. As you can see here, you slice it and enjoy it with warm drink of your choice or cold drink of your choice. Yeah, I would like you to hit on the like button if you have not liked this video. Share our video, comment on our video, and if you just like what you are seeing now, please go to the comment section and write healthy bread. Yeah, this is the end of this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you and bye. Please like, share and subscribe. Yep.